Muy buenas a todos, chavales. Hoy estamos en Life is Strange, episodio número 4. Y tengo esta risa en la boca porque que soy gilipollas. Menos más que me he dado cuenta pronto. Justamente llevaba 2 minutos grabando. Y había una decisión de data importante. Y vamos, y no estaba grabando, solo me está grabando la cámara. Madre mía, la cara de gilipollas que se me ha quedado. Vale, vamos a que menos más que se puede poner justamente en este momento. Que es donde lo dejamos el episodio pasado. Era un poquito más. Vamos a omitir, esto está. Vamos pasado. Esto es lo que pasaba. Que venía el hombre este, que es el padre, el militar. Y tenemos que escondernos. Yo lo que he hecho es esconderme en el armario.
Oh, no fucking way.
Vale.
You need to hide now. My stepdad will kill me
Y
if he
es
finds you
importante.
here.
No sé qué decisión tomar.
Chill, I'm changing. Is that
Como ya he
okay?
visto una decisión, voy a tomar
Find a
otra.
place to hide now.
Vale. Yo me escondo en el armario. Entonces esto se ha ido a la mierda, como vais a ver ahora.
I'm changing. Give me a minute.
Rebobinamos en el tiempo. Lo movemos de sitio.
Chloe, you're stalling.
I'm changing. Give
Y
me a
nos
minute.
escondemos.
Don't get smart. Just let me in now. Please.
1 second.
Vale.
My bra is stuck.
I'm not
Shit.
What's
going on in here?
color? No sé, en plan,
Jesus,
¿qué
I'm
dice?
just
What
trying
color?
on
¿Qué color
clothes.
yo?
You're so
¿Qué?
friggin' paranoid.
Yeah, combat will do that to you. One of my guns is missing. Did you take it?
Oh God, I didn't take your stupid gun. You do know I believe in gun control?
Wait,
Es
is that
María,
grass?
que viene el
You been
palo.
token up again in here?
Oh yeah, guns, weed. You were tripping balls.
I'm sick of your disrespect. Tell me the truth. That's an order.
Vale, aquí viene la pregunta importante.
Who's
Yo
this?
iba a permanecer oculta, pero no. Vamos a intervenir. Vamos, como hemos dicho, somos unos jodidos ángeles. Vamos a defender a quien podamos. Somos seres divinos. Intervenimos.
I'm
El
sorry.
porro.
That was my joint.
Well. I don't like strangers in my home, especially dopers. So you're bringing drugs into my home. How about if I call the police? That'd screw up your spotless Blackwell record. You do seem to get around, Max. I'm sick of you losers dragging Chloe down. Missy, you sure do like to pop up and start trouble. Like this
Yeah.
afternoon. You don't have anything smart to say now, do
Get
you?
the hell away from
Huh?
her, man. Stop harassing my friends.
You don't have any friends.
Like you know. You're not even a real cop. You're a fucking
¡Wow! Te
security
acabo de
guard.
hundir. Te acabo de
I was a
hundir
soldier.
la boca.
And Max, if I see you here again, you'll learn all about real trouble.
Así reaccionaría yo. Os vayan, hijos de
Because
puta.
you're such a badass, Max, let me show you my new toy.
Hemos defendido el culo a nuestra amiga. Y hasta aquí. Hasta aquí es donde hemos visto.
I'm Price. Chloe Price. Bang!
Jesus, put that thing down.
Chillax, sister. It's not even loaded. Yet.
I thought you believed in gun control.
Yes,
Ah,
I
pobre
believe
que yo
I should
contra el
control the
arma.
gun. It's the men who need
Me
to be
parece,
checked.
me parece un ser,
You
un
trust
ser
Nathan
divino.
or David?
Divina.
Thanks for taking the heat. We totally smacked his punk ass down, Max. He's no match for you and me now. That was an epic win. Anyway, let's sneak out the window. There is one cool place we can hang in this hick hole.
Vale. Esto... Bueno, no sé bien.
Man, that did not go well for me. If I want to keep my Blackwell scholarship, I shouldn't lie for anybody, even Chloe. I have
Da
to
igual,
think about
la
my
hemos
own
defendido.
future.
Coño. ¿Acaba de desaparecer algo justamente está el ventilador? ¿O me ha parecido a mí? Vale, llegamos al faro.
Isn't this awesome sauce? Totally reminds me of when we were kids.
Vale,
Come
aquí
on,
fue donde
Slowpoke.
tuvimos
Hold on.
esa pesadilla antes de tener esos poderes donde podamos rebobinar en el
I
tiempo.
haven't been here in forever. So why do I
Porque
feel
es
like it
donde
was
teníamos los
just here?
poderes.
This is the exact same path I was on during my nightmare today.
Guarden, a ver. Con mi pobrecito ellos. Jejeje. Jejeje.
Birds are so lucky, they can always escape.
Vale, vamos a hablar con ella, ¿no? Supongo. Hablemos.
Sure you don't want to be alone?
Have a seat, Pete.
Será un placer.
My pleasure. Feels nice out here after all that drama.
You really took one for Team Chloe.
I'm not as brave as you. And David is indeed a step
Awesome.
douche.
I'm sorry you had to experience it firsthand.
You have to live with him. Has he always been this way?
Ever since my desperate mom dragged his ass to our home, I never trusted David.
Vale. Vamos a darle aquí.
He freaked out on poor Kate Marsh today.
I know her. She's cool. Only that prick would bully her.
He has some kind of weird
Que
agenda.
ella es la del mollo
He has a
aquí,
lot of
que
secret
la-
files.
del video
Rambo
porno.
still thinks he's gathering enemy intelligence. Did you take a peek?
Archivos.
Files?
I know that look. You peeked. So, dish the dirt. Snuff videos?
Creepy photos of Kate Marsh. Other Blackwell students.
This dude takes his job too seriously. He still thinks he's at war or something. He's a total surveillance fetish. Where are there spy cams in the house?
Sabía que lo sabía.
I knew you didn't know. Chloe, your house is under surveillance.
What are you talking about?
There are cameras all over the house. I saw it on a monitor in the garage.
I knew it. He's so hella fucking paranoid. I'll keep this a secret for now.
Sometimes ignorance is bliss.
No wonder I'm so miserable. Everybody in this town knows everybody's
Claro,
secrets.
es como ciudad, no había un pueblo, los pueblos saben todos los secretos. ¿Cuál es el secreto de NASA?
What's Nathan's secret?
He's an elite asshole who sells bad shit cut with
What
laxative.
the fuck?
And he dosed me with some drug in his room.
What?
I met him in some shithole bar that didn't card me. He was too rich for the place and too wasted, and he kept flashing bills.
Just tell me what happened, Chloe. Now.
I was an idiot. I thought he was so blazed it would be an easy score.
You needed money that bad?
Actually, yes.
Ya hemos visto.
I owe big time.
Así que está jodido.
And I thought I'd have enough for me and Rachel if she showed up.
How much do you owe?
3.000 más
$3 grand
intereses.
plus interest. And before I could get a chunk of that from Nathan, he dosed my drink with some shit.
God, Chloe. I can't believe this. I mean, I do. Then what?
I know I passed out on the floor. I woke up and that perv was smiling, crawling towards me with a camera.
Go on.
Everything was a blur.
Esto que la...
I tried to kick him in the balls and broke a lamp. Nathan freaked, so I managed to bum rush the door and get the hell out. Max, it was insane.
Chloe, that is so fucked up. What did you do then?
I figured I would make him pay me to keep quiet. So we met in the bathroom.
And he brought a gun.
That was Nathan's last mistake.
What are you going to do? Pop a cap in his ass? Let's call the police.
Screw that. You already told the principal, and I'm sure it's useless.
I won't always be there to save you.
You were here today, Max. You saved me.
Porque
I'm still
viajamos en
tripping
el
on that.
tiempo, crook.
Seeing you after all these years feels like...
Destiny.
If this is destiny, I hope we can find Rachel. I miss her, Max. This shit pit has taken away everyone I've ever loved. I'd like to drop a bomb on Arcadia Bay and turn it to fucking glass.
Y... se me está muriendo. Se me está muriendo. Oh no, es un bucle.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Not again!
La tormenta ahí abajo. jodida que antes, ¿no?
Why is this happening to me? Why am I here again?
Puto infierno. Supongo que seguir. No me he retado, vamos un poquito más.
Is Chloe
Hostia.
still up there?
No, no sé,
I have
pero
to
otro
find
lado.
out.
Vamos a acercarnos todo lo máximo posible. Vamos a rebobinar. Ciervo. Chapón.
I've never seen a storm like this in Oregon.
Sí. Nos vamos a morir todo de lunes a
Oh my
domingo.
lord! The tornado is back!
¡Uy! No, no. ¡Uy! ¡Ay, Dios! ¡Ay, por la rata! ¡Madre mía! ¡Ay, que no me fui! ¡Ay, papá, que no! ¡Ay, por la rata que se ha matado, amigo! Viene.
October 11th? Is this Friday? That's only 4 days away.
Holy shit.
That tornado is headed straight for the town.
Chloe, you're here. I'm back. Oh my lord, this is real. It's real. Oh man, this sucks.
Max, what's going on? You totally blacked out.
I didn't black out. I had another vision. The town is going to get wiped out by a tornado.
Oregon gets about 5 tornadoes every 20 years. You just don't.
No, I saw it. I
Esta
can
canción no
actually
tenga
feel the
copyright, por
electricity in
favor.
the air.
Come on, take a breath, okay?
Chloe, I'm not crazy. But there's something else I have to tell you. Something hardcore.
Talk to me, Max.
I had this same vision earlier in class. When I came out of it, I discovered I could reverse time. Like I said, not
No
crazy.
lo cago
But
tampoco.
high, right?
Listen to me. How do you think I saved you in the bathroom?
By reversing time? Yeah, sure.
I saw you get shot, Chloe. Saw you actually die. I was able to go back and hit the fire alarm.
Okay, I see you're a geek now with a great imagination, but this isn't anime or a video game. People don't have those powers, Max.
I don't know what I have, but I have it. And I'm scared shitless.
You need to get high. It's been a hell insane fucking day.
¡Coloquémonos! Está animando, what the fuck?
What the hell is this?
No,
Snowflakes?
26
It's like
grados.
80 degrees.
Va a nevar,
How?
cambio climático.
Climate change.
Más secreta
Or a
ellos.
storm is coming.
Max, start from the beginning. Tell me everything.
No, también sigue. Parece que habla la madre. Estamos flipando. Un poquito más y vamos a ir mañana. Y la gente está quedando flipada, están llorando. Igual porque veis, a ver si ya al final he grabado solo. ¡Qué frío! Uf. ¿Rachel? Mi nombre de chica. No sé si son todas chicas, pero... Episodio 1, vale, vamos a... El episodio de hoy ha sido más corto. El episodio de hoy ha sido más corto. Porque ya si terminamos, si seguimos, pues vamos a dejarlo aquí con el capítulo 1 entero. Que han sido como 4 episodios. 3 episodios y medio. O 5, no sé. Así que nada, chicos. Espero que haya gustado este capítulo 1. Va a pasar un pequeño tiempo. O directamente lo subiré seguido. Espero que haya gustado. Nos vemos en el siguiente vídeo. Y hasta luego.